Hi everybody, Belinda here. I have done, believe it or not, twice already today. I have had 3 attempts on an artwork. No, sorry, 2 attempts. And it just didn't work out. And I was so disappointed. And I just felt like I couldn't carry on. I was so sore and so exhausted after that. Anyway, I got to be in my bonnet and decided, well, I've got to do something. I can't just leave it. So I have 2 towels here. I have no clue what size they are, but I will tell you in a minute. I will have to measure them. So one of my subscribers has told me that she has not been getting notifications of my videos and has to search for them. So I'm just asking you guys please to check your notifications, take a second to have a look. I'd be really grateful if you did that. So when I do put up a video, you will be the first to see it. Right. Get my little pink measuring tape. Right, so this is a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeters, so it's 8 inch by 8 inch. So I'm going to be doing 2. Hopefully we will have some success. So what color do I want to put down first? Now remember guys, this is my bloom recipe. I'll do the blue first. So I'm going to alternate my colors on both. See what I get. And then I'm going to put down a little bit of gold. This is the 24 karat gold. Put some magenta. And we'll finish that off with yellow. Ooh. Are you going to come out of there now? I'm not. I think that should be enough. What I do actually want to do is give this a torch because my white has got lots and lots of bubbles. I just mixed this white today, so I'm actually not surprised it has a whole lot of bubbles. Okay. So on that one, I'm going to go with the pink first. That's a beautiful fluorescent pink. And then I'll put some purple. Give it some contrast. Yellow. And this is lemon yellow. Oh, I think it's lemon yellow or fluorescent yellow. Probably should have blown this one out first. So we'll give this one a bit of time to bring itself towards itself. finish that off with a little bit of gold. So this is my bloom recipe. I feel like a crazy person blowing my paint. Okay, well, let's do crazy then. Whoops, I think that went somewhere. That is looking absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's just leave that for a bit. I'm not 100% happy with that over there. And then it can bring itself towards itself, but I'm loving all these cells and things that are coming up. Okay, here goes. I don't know if you guys can actually see me blowing, but I'm trying to keep it in the camera. Turn that around. Ooh. Sure makes you dizzy. Yeah, so that's looking really, really great. I'm just trying to move some more of that paint. Didn't really like the white bit there. Okay. Let me give it a torch. Quite a few bubbles. So the center part over here hasn't quite made it back up yet. I do like that very much. Yeah, so after my other artwork, which was not a bloom, I decided that I had to really do something. I'm not happy with not being able to put out a video. And I bought these towels. Actually, I bought these towels yesterday, and they were very dirty. So I do have what do you call it? That alcohol, profile alcohol, which I clean them with. Come on, get moving. I know you have to be very patient with this, but sometimes patience is not my forte. So I might end up speeding it up a little bit. So it is wanting to fold over itself in the center still. Don't. It's very, very pretty. Okay, I'm taking it over. I must say, holding onto these tiles is a little more tricky than holding onto a canvas, that's for sure. This is pretty striking. Okay, just want to stretch that center out a bit more. Let me just have a look at it. There's some beautiful shimmering gold going on. Okay, I'm going to leave that for a little while I'm doing this one. And see what potential this one has. So it also hasn't 100% come back in the center yet. I think I might end up liking this one more than the other one. Bring that one off, but I don't want to bring it totally off, so I'll just bring it back. Yeah, I like this one very much. So the reason why I'm doing these is because I have an art and craft fair coming up. That'll be in February, and I really need to have other stuff that I can sell that is not like big items. I don't know, guys, I like this. I'm just not loving it, if you know what I mean. I'm loving that. And I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Right, guys, so I'm a little uncertain how I feel about this one. It has some really nice parts to it, but I think it's a little too busy. I do love the center there, and I love that blue and white there. There's a lot of little cells that have popped up here, very pretty cells. Yeah, so there are some nice parts to it, and over here some really great lacing. Right, so that's that one. You can see also over here the kind of what they call the lightning bolt running through, and over there, this one here I actually prefer. I like its vibrancy, and I like that it has less of all of the other busy colours, although they were the same colours. Just shows, you know, layering, how you layer differently affects it. Of course, I love that center part right there. It's really pretty. It has some gorgeous cells. That's all quite interesting as well. See if I can get out of the light. Yeah, so I really like that one. Anyway, guys, please have a look at your notifications bell. I have been told that the notifications has the bell is not on anymore. So if you could please do that, I'd appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.